Hey insiders! Tired of guessing how well you slept? Apple Watch might soon get a game-changing sleep score feature, just like Galaxy and Pixel watches. Stick around to find out how this could level up your sleep game in 2025. Welcome back to GadInsider, your source for the latest tech scoops. Apple's reportedly working on a sleep score feature for the Apple Watch, a tool Galaxy and Pixel watch users have loved for years. This could finally give you a simple number to sum up your sleep quality. No more digging through data. Let's break down what we know. So what's a sleep score? It's a single number, like 84 out of 100, that sums up how well you slept, based on factors like duration, disturbances, and sleep stages. Think REM, core, and deep sleep. Competitors like the Galaxy Watch, Pixel Watch, and Fitbit already offer daily sleep or readiness scores. Apple's version, spotted in iOS 26 beta code, could match or even outdo them with a watch-focused score that might predict your daytime energy. Here's the juicy part. Sources found a leaked image in the iOS 26 beta showing an Apple Watch with a score of 84 surrounded by colorful arcs. These match Apple's sleep stage colors: purple for light and deep sleep, blue for REM, and red for awake time. It looks like a pie chart breaking down your night, making it super easy to see how you're resting. Plus, a thermometer icon hints it might pull in extra health data like temperature or heart rate, similar to the Vitals app in watchOS 11. Why is this a big deal? Unlike the raw sleep stage data Apple Watch currently gives, a sleep score simplifies everything into one clear metric. It can help you track trends, improve your sleep habits, and maybe even make up for the missing SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring in the US, which was disabled due to a patent dispute with Massimo. Best of all, this could come via a software update, so even older Apple Watches might get it. Apple hasn't confirmed the sleep score yet, and it's still in testing, so no official timeline exists. But with iOS 26 and watchOS 26 expected in September 2025, we might see it roll out alongside new Apple Watches. It could be a game changer for health tracking, bringing Apple closer to rivals like Fitbit and Garmin, while keeping that sleek Apple ecosystem vibe. Ready to sleep smarter? Keep your eyes on GadInsider for updates on this sleep score feature and all things Apple. Drop a comment. Would you use a sleep score on your Apple Watch? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the latest tech news.